India is positioning itself as a global leader in futuristic transportation by building the world's longest Hyperloop test facility. After successfully completing a 422-meter test track in December last year, India is now preparing for a nearly 50-kilometer Hyperloop test track for evaluating the commercial feasibility. The under-construction test facility will put India ahead in the race to develop the next generation of mass transit. Hyperloop can potentially revolutionize high-speed travel. This ultra-high-speed system, capable of reaching speeds of up to 1,100 kilometers per hour, will redefine travel as we know it. Hyperloop is often referred to as the fifth mode of transport. It is a revolutionary system where electromagnetically levitating pods travel through vacuum tubes, eliminating friction and air resistance. This allows speeds twice that of aeroplanes with low energy consumption, zero weather impact, and collision-free travel. Each pod can carry more than a dozen passengers. It can travel directly between two stations without any stops in between, thereby drastically reducing travel times. The 1,500-kilometer journey between New Delhi and Mumbai could be completed in 90 minutes. Similarly, one could travel between New Delhi and Jaipur in India or between London and Paris in Europe in just 30 minutes. In 1799, an inventor, George Medhurst, proposed an idea to move goods through cast iron pipes using air pressure. First theorized in the 1970s by a Swiss professor, Marcel Huffer, the idea resurfaced with mass vision in 2013. Now, India is taking lead in transforming this vision into reality. India's Rail Minister Ashwani Vaishnav shared the news on X. He said Indian government is collaborating with academia on this revolutionary project. It is funded by Ministry of Railways and developed at IIT Madras. The minister announced an additional $1 million grant for the project.
First pod of 422 meters, first tube. This will really go a long way in developing the technologies. I think time has come when after the first two grants of $1 million each, the third grant of $1 million will be given to IIT Madras for further developing the Hyperloop project in a nice way.
The Hyperloop concept was mooted by Elon Musk in 2013 when he proposed an ultra-fast vacuum-based train system, while companies such as Virgin Hyperloop in Nevada and Transport in Canada have been experimenting with the idea. India is spearheading the global Hyperloop research with full government backing and commercial intent. India's ambitious vision has caught the attention of global players. In March 2022, Tudor Swiss-American enterprise, Tudor Hyperloop, incubated at IIT Madras, signed an MOU backed by both Swiss and Indian governments.
All of them have come forward and given their, infrastructure support in terms of we need a lot of steel, we need a lot of construction and stuff like that. So, with all these things, this 422-meter track has come up, and it was Asia's first global Hyperloop competition has happened.
India is one of the handful countries currently making progress on building a Hyperloop that's fit for commercial use. The first successful test of a Hyperloop vehicle in Europe has been carried out at the European Hyperloop Center in the Netherlands. China's state-owned China Aerospace Science and Industry Cooperation is developing a high-speed magnetic levitation transportation system. A Canadian company, Transport, is refining levitation technologies, and Hyperloop One, formerly Virgin Hyperloop, was a US transportation technology company that worked to commercialize high-speed travel. It has since shifted its focus to freight applications. Additionally, Indian Railways and IIT Madras are collaborating on vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, further expanding India's dominance in futuristic transport technologies. As the world searches for sustainable, ultra-fast travel solutions, all eyes are on India for leading the change into the future. Ragini Sudhir Chore,